This is verse 9 of the 10th chapter, Gospel of Matthew. Jesus is commissioning his disciples, who are becoming apostles at this point, to go out to the towns and villages of Galilee. He's warning them not to sell their powers of healing and so on. And in that connection, he gives a further warning. So we have may with the subjunctive. So this is katesestha. This is from kataomai, means to acquire, to gain, to otherwise take possession of is the idea. The aorist here with the word may will become a prohibition. So we have here the second person plural, aorist middle in form, active in meaning, subjunctive. So it's a prohibition. Do not acquire, do not gain. And then three forms of money, really. We have kruson, which is gold, arguron, which is silver, and chalcon, which is brass. Gold, kruson, from krusos, is, of course, the most valuable of these. Could only be coined legally in Rome. The other two could be coined locally. So don't acquire gold. Then meda, going along with may, adding to the prohibition. Neither arguron, which is silver. Neither, finally, chalcon, which is brass. Notice that each of these is of a diminishing value, and Jesus is, of course, covering the waterfront. This is not a money-making enterprise, and the mission is going to be fairly short-term, so the need for taking along any really normal expression of wealth or so on should be unnecessary and really superfluous in the present situation. This is not an opportunity to be trying to acquire wealth in any sense whatsoever. This is a giving mission. So don't take possession of any of these. Ace preposition takes the accusative, so tas zonas. Zone is a word for a purse. It actually meant a belt or a girdle. Into the purse, humon of you, the second person genitive plural. So don't acquire any of these, putting them into a purse for traveling resources. You're not going to need them. You're going to rely on local hospitality. That's the idea. And so Jesus really is giving instruction, we might say, to travel light as they launch into this first mission enterprise.